find on your nature walk today?
A muscadine plant. I can make jelly out of it. So I'm taking it home and making jelly.
This is a maple tree. Our family takes pictures here. Our family pictures here every fall. It changes colors and it's really pretty. I looked outside and Keekly was chasing something, and I found this little guy, and we brought him inside, and we're hoping to take care of him until he gets big and strong enough to take care of his own self. I'm Belly, and this is my nature project of a bird nest and on my place. So down in this bird nest, if I sit in the corner, our shed, and there's a post, and I don't know if that's supporting it or if it's not supporting it, but if it's not supporting it, I think it's like stuck in it has sap and stuck it to the wall or the surface. We're surrounded by wood, so I think that would be obvious that they would be in that corner. And I mean, I haven't seen baby birds, and I'm kind of disappointed in that they will fly out in front of us. And I wouldn't like that because it was scary past. Hello, Mrs. Smith. These are coins. I found them. This one has some iron in it. This one, let me see, has, well, we don't really know what's in it yet. This one also has some iron in it. And that is what I found, and that's why I think it's what makes the tree so important. Is water down there and tadpoles live under rocks. That's what gives how it adds moisture. That's it.
Hey guys, look what we just found walking across our yard. Looks like what we have here is an eastern box turtle. And I'm here with my niece Addie and my little boy Bryce. So we're going to let him go because he's heading to the woods to get into some shade. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi guys, this is Miss Tracy and I'm going to show you my beehive.
This in the nature, in the woods, because I found it in the ground, and I spray painted it. I took it to the shop and spray painted it silver, gray, and orange, and blue, and black. And it is a snapping turtle shell.
So there you have it, folks. Ants taking food to their nest and fishing worms that I caught over there to go fishing tomorrow.
Plants need special care. You need to water them at least once a day and give them plenty of sunlight.
Hey, Miss Smith, I have beautiful flowers over here, and nature is all around me. We got trees, we have grass, and have you seen a willow tree? Because I have, and they're beautiful. So, you can hear the birds tweeting and stuff. See, there's lots of birds all around, some over here. And a bee just flew by me. And all of the beautiful flowers. That's an aloe plant, good for your skin. And that's supposed to be a rose, but it didn't go to a rose.